All right, we're here at the range doing some shooting today. I've got my Aero Precision build with a LaRue barrel in it. And I have the M4, I have Aero Precision's enhanced upper receiver that has an extension on the front of the receiver for the rail to mount. And I was hoping that that setup would allow me to load the bipod and not shift my point of impact. But that is not the case. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. All right, so if you look here, so you got a little bit of flex in your bipod. So what I like to do is I like to get some kind of support and load the bipod really hard. That takes any flex out of it. But when I load that, that shifts my point of impact low about 0.3 of a mil. I'll show you the targets here in just a second when we go down range. So when I back up from my bipod ledge a little bit and I just let it be neutral, where I take the slack out of the bipod, but I'm not pushing and loading into it, it hits where it is supposed to hit. So on rifles that have a true free float barrel or rail and barrel system, where your rail actually mounts to the receiver somehow without touching the barrel nut, those are truly free floated, and when you load the bipod, it will not change your point of impact. I know LaRue does that, and there's a few other manufacturers out there, but I'm not 100% sure enough to tell you right now. So I'm going to put a few more rounds down range and test this, and I will take you down range and show you the target. All right, let's take a look at the group. So this is one of the first groups I shot, and I was playing around with the bipod, trying to figure out what the gun likes. And this was, I had a little bit of pressure on the bipod. Right here, point of aim, loaded the bipod really hard on the bipod ledge, shifted the point of impact about 2 inches. So then I came back up here, was pretty much neutral on the bipod, and had a really good group. Those are shooter errors, I called them. I came over here and shot this, and I was holding over here, and I walked off a little bit to the left. Then I moved back down here, number 17, loaded the bipod really hard. Same results, shifted the point of impact a significant amount. The main purpose of today was to see how loading the bipod would affect that upper receiver, since it is Aero Precision's upper receiver that has the mounting surface for the rail machined into the upper receiver, but the barrel nut is still inside of that piece of metal. And so when you put pressure on it, the pressure transfers to the barrel nut onto the barrel and shifts your point of impact. Until next time, get out there and train.